Hi everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be doing a plan with me for Halloween. So this is the kit that I will be using. This is one that I made and it is up in the shop, and I'll leave the link below if this is a kit that you would like to use in your planner. It fits almost all of the Erin Condren planners or the plum paper or the Happy Planner. I designed it more towards on the vertical side just because that's what I personally use and that's what I had to measure off of. So that's what I'll be using today. Again, using my Happy Planner in here. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to do this week since it's the last full week of October, or if I wanted to skip ahead and do the week that actually has Halloween. I might just do both Halloween themed. But I think for this video, I'll do the week that actually has Halloween in it. So I will go ahead and you can see I kind of plan out the weeks I'm doing. So I'll take that off. And then for me, what I like about the Happy Planner is I can rip my pages out. So it just makes it a lot easier to get it out and get stickers on. So I'll rip that out and I'll move the big part out of the way. And then I'm just left with my 2 pages. So that just makes it a lot easier to write and put stickers on. So I'll go ahead and start doing all of my stickers. First, what I do is I go through and white out these 2 bottom vertical or horizontal lines just because sometimes they show through on the stickers and I don't want that. So I will go ahead and do that and then start laying my stickers down, and I'll just fast forward through this part and put some music to it. So this is what my week looks like before I put any sort of icon stickers or write anything in. So basically I just have at the top, you know, the days of the week, and then this flag, and then this quarter box here I use for the weather. Sorry if you hear anything in the background, my dog is in the kitchen with me. But then these half boxes I use for, I write all the kids' names and then myself, and I keep track of when kids are at school, when they're at daycare, when I'm working from home, when I'm in the office, things like that. Then this middle section here I use for like bills that are due or other appointments that we have. This to-do section here is pretty obvious. It's just my to-do list for the day. Down at the bottom, I use this for meal planning. So I'll go ahead and write some things in and use my icon stickers, and then I'll come back on. Okay, so this is my week pretty much before any writing happens. And so I still have some stickers left over from the kit. So I have the bill due stickers, which I will obviously place on days that we have bills due. And then I also have 4 half boxes left, and I typically use these for if the kids have a field trip or we're going out of town or things like that, typically on the weekends because it's usually something bigger that I need to write. So I'll use that for use those for that. Then I have all of these left. So these are the rest of the icon stickers that will go on the pages depending on which day they end up happening. So I'll use these for if we're going over to my parents for dinner, or we're going out to eat, or the kids have a field trip or doctor's appointments, things like that, I'll use these for. But that is everything for the plan with me. Just like I said, this is everything before I start writing things in. So this is just what it looks like. And Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year, so I really like the Halloween themed stickers. And if you do like this type of video, the plan with me's and things like that, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. And if you have any other video suggestions, please leave those below. I would love to hear what types of videos you want to see. And I just realized that every once in a while my camera was shaking, and I didn't realize that throughout. So every time I kind of bumped the table or even barely touched it, it was shaking. And I apologize about that. But I can't really go back and refilm this because the stickers are already down. So bear with me, I apologize. But definitely like this video and subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.